guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel, My Fine Art. And today's episode, I will have a review on this hair curler from BabyLiss. This is a BabyLiss Pro Curl Definer, and it's 32 millimeter. This is titanium, guys, from Tourmaline Technology, and it is around 65 euros. I bought it in our local hair shop store, and this is the information that they write here are all in French and also in Dutch. So according to them, if you are having this kind of titanium tourmaline in this apparatus for her as a hair curler, it will give you a good result, optimal result without damaging your hair. So they have this digital display. We will try to open it, guys. So this is the one. Oh, it comes in with papers, a lot of papers. So they have this instruction in French. This is French, and check the others. You need to keep it because usually it have a guarantee or warranty something. So this is the ticket that I paid, and here you can see the all instructions how to use this. Okay, so the professional curling irons, BabyLiss is one of the most known product for hair styling, guys. So the temperature you can adjust from 100 to 200 degrees Celsius. So guys, let us open it. It's like in this plastic. Lots of plastic. And then they have this that put into the electrical portal. So guys, it's not so long, no? You can see it. Not so long. You know why I bought a new one? Because I have a hair curler. I bought it when I was still working in Saudi Arabia as a nurse, and our dog ate it. He bites it and it's all ruined. So it's like, yeah, I bought it 2012 and no 2013, and up to now normally it's okay, it's functional, but yeah, anyway, it seems it needs to be, there should be new. So the line is really long. It's like 2 meters. So guys, I will find this stop contact. They name it here. They name that here, stop contact. So now we need to turn it on. So now it's in the 150 degrees, and you can adjust it so that you see. You can adjust it with this plus arrow until the desired amount. So 200, no, not too much, 180, that would be nice, be enough. Okay, So it's not, now it's heating, guys. So you just need to divide your hair, or know which part you want to do it first, like this, and then the half, like that. And then just roll it in this titanium coated. So guys, it's kinda takes time. Yes, I need to wait. It's kinda boring. I hope you are all good there. And for those who are not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Yes, while watching this video, don't forget to subscribe. And I'm also doing other video vlogs in my channel, like traveling vlogs, the travels that I did in Europe and also in Philippines, because I am originally coming from Philippines. So there I have also some vlogs, and I am a mom of 2, so I also have some family vlogs in my channel. And I am also a painter, an artist, and you can see also my works, mostly portrait commission works. You can always check in my YouTube channel. I have some playlists. Okay, let us check if it's good. So guys, that's the result. It's round. That's the first. It would be nice if you have a long hair, because compared to my previous curler, that is thinner. It's like 20 or 25 millimeter, and this is more bigger, like 35 something. If I'm not, yes. So guys, anyway, there are different kinds of diameter of hair curler, so you can always choose what you like, and they're also available online, and you can choose. BabyLiss is one of the best brand for hairs, and they also have some straightening hair straightener. And one time I have I have it for since 2014, and they have this argan oil also with a package. So this is the second. So it takes not so long. Yeah. So this is my original. Sometimes I like to style my hair, and if I'm going out or going to have a dinner or going to the party, so it would be nice to have something like this. So this is the straight hair. So if you've noticed, guys, I already have some dark hair. These are the growth. But I decided not to color my hair. I just like to make it longer with black hair, because I noticed that my hair that is colored needs to be treated so that it will not be dry. but I really like to have longer hair anyway. So I also use other products, guys, how to make your hair more, you know, not dry, more lively. Especially in the summer, I like to color my hair because I feel like black is just too dark for me. And I also have some oils to maintain the hydration of your hair, and also some oil for hair growth, but I will tell you guys what are this for the next episode. So, and I think you know some of it already. So that's it. So that's the, oh, it's warm. And if you will hear it, it's like crusting. So the part here, the back part, that's kind of difficult to curl. I will divide it in two, of course, 2 or 3. The upper part here. Then you open that and you curl it. It's not so good if you don't see it at the back. Anyway. Right. There. So we will wait some few minutes. So how do you like it? Review. Seems nice. It's really different if you have some style in your hair. Big curls. More sophisticated, right? Yeah, it's nicer, of course. So that's curl. If you have some comments, guys, please drop below in this video. You can always comment, suggest anything. Yeah. So let's finish there. But not so good. I need to put it again. That's a difficult part actually if you cannot see it at the back. I'll just do like that. And then do it again. So guys, I will continue this part here and let's see the result later. Hi guys, so I am already beginning at this side. As you can see, this is the result of the curl. It's like so subtle curls and I like it. And we will continue. Hi guys, I'm trying to make this blurry yet. Here guys, it's already finished. This is my curled hair and I am very satisfied of the result. You can see it's beautiful, right? So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And for those of you who are not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can always put a comment below. And you can also check my other playlists in this YouTube channel. Okay? Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog on this BabyLiss Pro hair curler. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!